Matching heading exercise has always been considered difficult in IELTS reading, but today in this video we will cover some tips and tricks or strategies that you can successfully apply to improve your score in these tasks. But before you start, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Actually, there are a lot of workable methods on matching headings exercise. Probably you have heard some of them, but today we will cover some of them which most of you don't know. Firstly, when you start this exercise, you should understand all headings. This is very important. You should understand each heading, its meaning, and you should pay attention to each noun and to each additional piece of information, like some prepositional phrases. Pay special attention to nouns, because nouns carry the main meaning, and especially proper nouns or some words which show time or a period of time or a place, because these ones are easier to find in the text. Also, in each heading, you have to find one main word which carries the main meaning of this heading. The next strategy is that you should work firstly with the easiest ones. Firstly, you will find the easy ones, and then you will have more time to focus on the difficult ones. Next, try to learn to read for gist. It means that you should read the text very fast and identify its main meaning. You can do this by underlining some important keywords in each sentence. I do like this. I underline the main important keywords which help me go through the main meaning, which is actually explained, clarified in the paragraph. You should find the main meaning of a paragraph and try to eliminate additional ideas. Usually they give us some additional ideas to confuse us more. They take some special words, some synonyms or the same words from these additional ideas, and they create additional headings which are actually prepared to confuse us. That's why you should read for gist, understand the main idea by underlining keywords. So this is our next tip. Quickly highlight the ideas mentioned in a paragraph. You can do this by writing brief notes near the paragraph, and these notes can help you to understand the main idea and some additional ideas. Next, try to do this exercise matching headings the last, because you are not acquainted with the text. It will be difficult to you to find headings. So you should do firstly the other exercises in which the order is followed, like true, false, not given, or fill in the gaps. And only after these exercises you can go to the matching headings, or sometimes I do them simultaneously while doing other exercises. I also try to find headings for the paragraphs that I have just read, because I know them. I know their meaning better now than I will know that later. And lastly, the most important thing is that pay attention to plot twists, because sometimes with some contradiction, like conjunctions or conjunctive adverbs, they try to change the meaning of the paragraph, and this is the main point to which we have to pay attention, because sometimes they can tell about one thing in the beginning of a paragraph, and then with a plot twist they can change the main meaning. Now let's practice a little bit and try to summarize what I have just said. So let's look at the first A paragraph, and then we will discuss it in detail. Probably you know how I do this. I underline keywords in each sentence to help myself go through the paragraph. Firstly, they tell in the first sentence, they tell about institution. Any person can find any instruction. Then they talk about Cornell University in the USA, where this author, currently teaches philosophy. Then he tells us about different courses at the university, like management, engineering, and so on. And then with but, they change the meaning. They say that, but have you heard about this course called Awesome for Profit? So they firstly talk about many courses, but then they narrow the topic and talk about one course, which sounds a little bit strange. Awesome for Profit. If you don't know the word awesome, you may read a little bit more the text to understand it. So from this we understand that awesome means to burn something. Undergraduates who have met the academic requirement can sign up for this course, Awesome for Profit. This is taught in fire science faculty. So what's important here, that here they focuses only on the course and its name. The name is very strange. Now let's look at our titles to understand which one can be more suitable for this paragraph A. So looking through all these titles, we can say that it's not about commitment like in the first one. It's not about two meanings of a course, of the name of a course. It's not about importance of any issues. It's not about applying a theory in an unexpected context. It's not about financial benefits. It's about a surprising course title, a very brief and easy heading. Let's read the second body paragraph, paragraph B. Well, from here we can see that they start with naturally. Naturally, the course is intended, so they just explain for whom this course is intended. It's actually applied for investigation of fire, but wouldn't also this course be perfect for prospective arsonists to sign up for? So probably there will be some people who want to burn anything and they want to learn how to do this in order not to be caught by the police. And lastly, they talk about a dishonest and illegal behavior which can lead to very negative circumstances. So if we look at our titles, we can see that the eighth one is more suitable, the possibility of attracting the wrong kind of student who actually wants just to torch a building and he just wants to learn how to do this. Again, with some conjunctions and transition signals, they change the plot twist and they show that actually this course is for these people, but other people who have other negative intentions can use this course as well. If we read paragraph C, we may see that there are no conjunctions, no contradiction. They just explain the paragraph, the main idea of the paragraph. Let's read it. First we'll read it and then we'll try to understand it. So actually you see that here he is speaking about marketing course, about its title, and then he changed the title. So actually this title has different meanings. And if we look at the headings, we can see that the most appropriate one here is a course title with two meanings. Well, here we try to briefly cover some strategies that you can use. There are many strategies that you can use to improve your reading score. We will talk about them later. That's why subscribe to the channel and like this video. See you soon in the next one.